All right, so also great interior roominess here. I have plenty of space in front of my knees to the driver's seat. And I myself, I'm 180 centimeters tall. And I have enough headroom here, so a very relaxing and very comfortable experience. To me, the favorite part of the Audi e-tron Sportback is obviously the rear. And as you can see here, we have a very nice and sporty rear diffuser, which again highlights the sportiness and progressiveness of the car and stretches across the entire width of the vehicle. Another cool feature is the rear spoiler. And in this case, it not only helps to further improve aerodynamics, but also underlines the sporty character and the progressiveness of the all-new Audi e-tron Sportback. With the e-tron Sportback, we wanted to have the first fully electric Sportback at Audi. And what we try to do is combine the best of three worlds. So we wanted to have the rugged, more elevated character of a classic SUV, combined with the sportiness and elegance of a four-door coupe, and coupled that with the progressiveness of an electric car. And all of that to form a symbiosis of having a great Sportback design in the e-tron Sportback. The Audi e-tron Sportback, just like its brother the e-tron, is definitely a car for everyday use. It has a range of up to 446 kilometers in WLTP cycle and plenty of trunk and storage space, which really allows for a full functional everyday usability car. The e-tron Sportback, just like the e-tron, has many technical highlights and features, and one I would like to particularly point out are a new innovation in light design, which is the digital matrix light, which allow to illuminate the road in front of the car in high resolution, increasing road safety and driver's awareness of the road, especially of course when driving at night. The e-tron Sportback has plenty of other technical highlights, one being the virtual exterior mirrors that we all know from the original e-tron. Also, we of course feature electric Quattro and air suspension as standard. And in terms of recuperation, we're using the integrated braking control system, which in addition to coasting recuperation also allows for braking recuperation. So when using the brake pedal, we can actually recuperate energy which will be stored in our high voltage battery to, of course, further increase efficiency of the car. Charging and range obviously are extremely important. So let's start with range. With the Audi e-tron Sportback, we have a maximum range of up to 446 kilometers. So truly a car for also long distance trips. And what's specifically special with the unique Sportback design, due to the coupe line roofline together with the rear spoiler, we've actually been able to increase aerodynamics, which means that as compared to the e-tron, we actually have 10 kilometers of additional range. And also, we have some new efficiency measures that we employed in the car, both software and hardware, which again increased range by 25 kilometers in WLTP cycle. And of course, charging is also extremely important. And just like the e-tron Sportback can charge with up to 150 kilowatts of DC charging, which allows the car to be recharged in about 30 minutes. And in terms of AC charging, which for instance is relevant when charging the car at home, we'll also include a new feature with the e-tron Sportback by the end of the year. And that means that we're increasing AC charging speeds from 11 kilowatts to now 22 kilowatts with the optional second onboard charger. And for our customers, this means that we're actually cutting charging time in half from 8 to now 4 hours. With the e-tron Sportback, of course, we're looking at customers that want to drive an electric Audi, but specifically we're looking at customers that are more oriented towards sportiness and design, but at the same time don't want to sacrifice anything in terms of everyday usability and storage capacity. And I think the e-tron Sportback offers just that. Great sportiness and great design together with everyday usability.